So today we are leaving the school. So yeah, today we're going to Tupac, which is like a really small village that only they speak their language. So that's pretty crazy. Yeah, it's like a 2-hour bus ride and a 45-minute hike there. So that'll be fun. Hello, we're pausing here because it's a really nice view, so I'll take you on a journey. Ooh, it's bright. Crazy. Really have to go to the bathroom right now, but it's okay. Wow. Sorry if I look really rough. I haven't looked in a mirror for several days, so yeah. Really have to go pee, but we have like an hour drive still and a 45-minute hike, so just gonna have to hold it. Walking up. Oh, I suck at walking. That's Maya. That's Brooke. You guys will be happy to know that I just peed behind this rock. Had a nice view while I was peeing. I feel like I'm in like a fairy garden.
So let's wait for them.
Okay. So the beehives.
Buenos días. Hola.
Just casually walking. Some horse and sheep.
Like walk your dog outside.
Yeah.
That was maybe the coolest thing ever.
Hello, so we are now at Tupac. I just had some lunch, it was really good. We packed some sandwiches. Yeah, so it's like crazy beautiful. Look at that.
Look at that. It's crazy, my dude.
I'm starting to miss my family, been gone for a little while. I really need a shower. I haven't showered in a couple days. Usually I shower twice a day at least, so that's nice. But I have jumped in a river. I don't know if that river was clean or not, but I have jumped in a river every day at least, so.
That's good.
I feel kind of like I'm coated in dust because I had the window open while we were driving up here. Dust was just flying all over me. It's okay. Maybe it will protect me from the sun. The people here are really cool. They wear like plaid. All the girls do actually, not the guys. Sexism at its finest. Yeah, but there's definitely a lot more infrastructure than I expected there to be here. They have like hella irrigation systems. From construction, I have these nice cuts on my arms, and it's also on my stomach and my legs. Right now there's the Peru versus wherever football soccer game. Peru's in it, so everyone's like super pumped because it's the first time they made it in like 30 years or so. They're actually watching it. I was surprised to see that they actually had TVs out here. It'd be difficult to get it here. I feel like you would have to helicopter it in or something. I don't even know. I wonder if it's like Havasupai where they like have to helicopter things in. Who knows? Doesn't this mean drugs are nearby? I like this log. Adios. Hello everyone. We are back. We are back at the original hotel. I forgot what it's called, but it's a nice hotel. We just showered for the first time in a couple days, so we feel
Really great.
yes, much yeah. All right. Good morning. I'm about to go on a run and it's so freaking boggy. It's crazy. Can't see anything. So I'm just running and there's this donkey on the side of the road. This is crazy. You can see like nothing at all. Okay, back to cross the little irrigation system. Ba-doop. Okay, there's dogs up here. They're very scary. So wish me luck. Last time they hit me in the legs. Holy crap, that was scary. Today we're going whitewater rafting and ziplining, so it's gonna be pretty dope.
Felicidades, felicidades, que tengas dicha toda la vida. Ay, 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 canta y no llores. Y que el rey, que venga el rey también por acá. A ver, rey, venga.
About to keep drinking, and if this darkness came from light, then light can come from darkness, I guess.
Run part 2. You're good. Hello, we're about to have ceviche on the beach. Here's the restaurant. There's the beach. This is Demi. There's Quinn. Jake. Boom. We out here on the pier, about to go to the edge. There's a dog following us. There's no one there, so it's okay. We're stealing a view, ha ha ha. Smells a little fishy. Fare, price, ticket. We were supposed to pay, but we're rebels. Call me sometime. So today we're going back to Lima and we're staying in a hotel, and then we go on a plane to the Amazons, the Amazon jungle. It's gonna be pretty cool. Got some sparkling water today. Was missing it. It's not cold. Nothing here is ever cold. I never get ice and I'm kind of dying, but it's okay. I miss my ice and my iced coffee. It's okay. I'll survive. I made this nice necklace. It's pretty cool. I feel like a real hipster traveler, you know? So yeah. We have an argument arising out here. Who will win, Whitney or Whitney?
What? Stupid idea. I think I could survive a tsunami. I'm going for it.
I think not.
I think I could.
Have you seen that one movie?
Yeah, I did see that one movie.
That-
I'm talking about.
It's so terrifying.
It is
Her like
terrifying.
boob is falling off and like the back of her
You'd
leg
have
is
to
falling
stand
off.
on top of-
Hola. You didn't answer me. Look, it's a wild cow.
Oh my god, I genuinely thought that was a dead bird right there.
Here we have a dead bird.
Maybe it's just sleeping.
I think it's asleep. It's asleep. Yeah.
We'll go with that.
It's definitely dead.
It's sleeping.
It's definitely dead.
It's having nice dreams of flying.
If a tsunami was coming right now, what would you do? First move, what is it?
I would hold on to a pole.
No, that's a horrible move.
What are you talking about?
You would dive in the water and start swimming out as far as you could.
No, yeah, that's what I would do.
That's what you would do.
That's also smart.
I think about tsunamis a lot, even though I like, don't live near the water.
Here I am, trying ceviche. Good. So I ate a really spicy pepper, as you can see by my fat lips, but it's okay. I ate a fat amount of these nut things and I feel a little bit better. There's a cat. There's another cat, too.
I love you so much.
There's another cat.
Hey, gross cat.
Here we have another cat. Here we have another cat. An interaction. Another cat. Another cat. More cats. A little bit. Another cat. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Some more. Hi, kitty. Hello.
It wants to attack.
You look, a CrossFit in Peru. Hello, we're currently at the airport. We're gonna go to the Amazon River soon, or Amazon River, what? The Amazon soon. And right now it's really stressful. One kid's throwing up, another girl just threw up because she ate raw chicken. So it's really going well. Yeah. Hi. And she just cracked her phone.
Oh yeah. Let me show them. Let me show the camera. It's really bad.
Getting on the plane like the celebrities we are. Everyone say hi. Landing in the jungle. Today we are in the Amazon and we are at a wildlife rehabilitation center and we're going to be cutting leaves. Look, I have a machete. There's a cute little dog.
Feeding the deer, that's all.
They're fun. They're
I don't
babies.
care either.
Me neither.
If that guy's gonna sit
Your teacher is going to kill me.
Yeah.
I say, who made this?
Hey, what he doesn't know won't hurt him.
Can you swim in it or no?
I wouldn't want to because I think the city has a lot of contamination in it and there's cannons, which are alligators.
Delete that one.
Okay.
I love it. You too. Quit it.
Looks a bit like blue now. Okay.
Hi, little guy.
He usually go down in a chart for the group that make the diets in the morning. You see that there are a lot of in the skin. He was a pet. It's another piece of monkey. It's a black boy, and the boy lives with her in the room. She lives with her like 3 years. So Monica, to be released, need a man to the house, try to get in the house and destroy and be like a pet because she was a pet for long time. Yeah, be careful. She don't like girls. She loves boys. Yeah. She doesn't like girls. Yeah, because she's a female. So that monkey is. 6 o'clock. He's an adult, so we are not going sleeping. So oh my god, it's touching. Oh my gosh.
Let me take a picture of him.
Yeah.
He doesn't like guys.
I know.
Those look like little human hands.
So
I
here
know,
the people usually catch
Look,
them
he likes
and
belly
take it
rubs.
home and put it on there.
That's so cute.
Dude, I just want a picture of him.
He's so cute. Oh my god. He's just like rub my belly.
Give me your belly.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
he
it.
ate his own fingers?
This, yeah, he ate his own fingers, so he lost 3 fingers. Yet we don't have never problems with Ramon that he wants to buy or something like that.
Is he gonna stay because one of his hands?
Yeah, probably we are going to say, if you see, he ate the 3 fingers. It's a form to call from another jungle of Peru, so release these animals here, make a change, yeah.
Is that one Caesar?
The little one, in 2 years, they are so big. Ramon must be more than 4. We don't have it yet. Yeah, we released 3, but the relation was really bad with the 3 females, so we took all together and talking. The problem with this, because he came with the bonus pose, and we have a monkey. We have like 60. Food is a wild animal. Yesterday
In the afternoon, Lola attacked Magali and attacked Christine. Yes, attack.
Diego bit me.
Stick your hands out.
Yes.
Yeah, again.
Will.
Gotcha. Yeah, we'll get that.
That one bites.
Gonna bite your head.
But don't worry. No, don't.
All the way down.
I saw these.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Keep it going. Yeah.
Yeah.
We built this and it's beautiful. You think you did it right, but then it goes through all the other.
Nice. Get out is better. Put another one in here. Nice.
I nailed this one in, so basically I'm a pro. Hello.
Is this one the nice one?
I don't know. Just be careful in case they try to bite you. Oh, yep, that's a nice one, I think. Maybe. Are you the nice one?
That one's not nice.
No. You see? Did she laugh? Oh my god.
Diego.
Toma, Lola. Toma. Toma.
Vegetarianos. I love my lettuce.
Sure, she comes to us.
Huh?
And can we hold them after?
Oh, the way
First eat it.
Yeah.
Let's make eat it because she was not eating these days.
Oh,
Because she's getting better. But she's yellow. Lola, ven.
You want to be in it?
Lola.
Yeah.
Toma. Ajá. Zanahoria. Yeah, she's eating very well too. Very difficult. They die if they don't eat.
We built this house and it doesn't fit through the door, so we're trying to figure out how we can actually get it in. We had to take it apart and then we put it back in. Oh yeah, fun.
Trash.
Oh, sick.
Hi.
Oh, he's peeing.
Can you not
Hello.
do this right now? Yeah, I know. You're gonna be covered in pee. Try to touch me.
Go. Come on. Let's go.
That's funny.
Come here, man.
They're so funny.
Sorry, sorry.
Did you step on him?
No, I just grabbed his hand because he grabbed me and I grabbed him.
What a big baby.
Sorry, bud.
What are you doing? Oh.
Look at him. Look at him.
I feel so bad.
Oh.
Is he afraid of me?
Oh my god.
I didn't even touch him. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. I feel horrible.
Probably. Yeah, or keep it inside. He loved the corn.